Today I will show you how to use a boring chemical machine. This machine can be used for chemical boring. Well, in the past, we will do the boring when there is some damage on the piston ring by using carbon, which is in the engine. And because of this engine, we can make the process of boring much easier. You have to press the button. The green LED lamp will be flickered before preheat, and this green LED will show up continuously. And after preheating, it will stay like this. The next step is use the panel to control the volume. When you see the green light shows up, that means the second preheating is on process. This green light will keep flickered like this. After the second preheating, the alarm will be stopped and the chemical will be sprayed. Put the volume control here at 2 or 3. The light is still flickering, and if you put the volume off, the light will stop flickering. Turn it to 2 and then off. You can know that the machine is still working or not. After finish the preheating, it will be ready to spray. And for this valve, it sometimes sprays near to intake valve when the engine starts up. If impossible, you can also spray on the intake port. In this moment, be careful with chemical that flow through the air. It will be stained in the airflow sensor. So please be cautious. But it is not the problem for the engine. If the chemical passed through the turbo, it will be flown into the engine. And for this part, some people might be afraid of facing some problems. But don't be so panic, no problem for sure. It will pass through turbo and intake valve. So there is nothing to be worried about. You will see the connection here. Mostly the chemical will be used 1 liter per 1 car. But it depends on the carbon attachment. We will spray in about 60%. I'll show you the real spraying process. This is the chemical. It is used for cleaning. Put 1 liter in this tube. No need to rush. Pour it like this. Then after that, close the cover. And check the preheating. And take out the airflow sensor. Sometimes the airflow sensor operates and the warning light turns on. Then just start the engine. And it is time for spraying. The spray will be start after preheat, and we will set the volume about 2 to 3. You must be careful. And right now, we will set it at 3. And now it is ready. It will increase the performance. It also helps the reliability. After you use this chemical, you will notice the change instantly. When finished the spraying, you have to wait for a while. Don't be so rushed. And put the volume down. And turn off the machine with this button. Then the machine will stop every process like this. You see? After you are done, keep things in place. Put the spray gun in its place. For this machine, it is designed for inside parts of the engine room. If the engine room is generally dirty, you don't have to use chemical. It is easy. Just use the water to clean the engine room by the old classic way.